Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hungarian ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, I'm Lena from HungarianPod101.com. Do you know what monsters Hungarian people are scared of? In this lesson, you'll learn about 3 scary monsters in Hungary. Let's start with the most popular monster, boszorkány. Boszorkány. It means witch, or literally, injurious phantom. This is a hostile, dangerous old witch. The fearsome boszorkány can fly, change shape, and cast curses. Her evil nocturnal activities include souring cow's milk or making humans sick. That sounds pretty scary, right? You might have heard about the next monster. The next one is ördög. Ördög. It means devil in English. This demonic creature is a shapeshifter. The ördög has a male torso and the legs of a goat. It comes to Earth to collect souls. It tests its victims for corruption by trying to make bets with them. Okay, here's the last monster, lidérc. Lidérc. Have you heard of this next one? This is the incubus. The lidérc, a unique supernatural being, has 3 varieties. The magical chicken, the temporal devil, and the satanic lover are all evil shapeshifters. They attach to unfortunate people to bring them doom, illness, and misery. Let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we've learned. Listen to the names of each monster and repeat after me. Witch, injurious phantom. Boszorkány. Boszorkány. Devil. Ördög. Ördög. Incubus. Lidérc. Lidérc. Well done! Did you know that Hungary has similar holidays to Halloween? Hungarians celebrate All Saints' Day, Mindenszentek, and All Souls' Day, Halottak napja, held on the first 2 days of November. They also call All Souls' Day the Day of the Dead. On All Souls' Day, Hungarians go to church to attend services and to clean the graves of their departed family members before laying chrysanthemums on graves and lighting red votive candles. And that's it! You just learned about 3 of the scariest monsters in Hungary and similar Hungarian holidays to Halloween. Now, learn Hungarian twice as fast by downloading all your PDF cheat sheets, including survival phrases, pickup lines, business etiquette, and more. Check out the description below and go to HungarianPod101.com now. I'll see you next time. Legközelebb innen folytatjuk. One more time. It's ördög, not ördög. Okay, can I say like abracadabra or something? Or all evil and misery. Okay, was fun.
Hi everyone! Do you know how to say I love you in Hungarian? In this lesson, you'll learn 3 different ways to say it. Let's start with how to express your feelings to your loved one.
Szeretlek. Szeretlek. Szeretlek.
Or if you want to explain those butterflies in your stomach, you can say
Teljesen beléd vagyok esve. Teljesen beléd vagyok esve. Teljesen beléd vagyok esve.
And when you feel that I love you is not enough, you can say
Szavakkal nem lehet leírni irántad érzett szerelmemet. Szavakkal nem lehet leírni irántad érzett szerelmemet. Szavakkal nem lehet leírni irántad érzett szerelmemet.
You just learned 3 different ways to say I love you in Hungarian. And if you're interested in learning more, don't forget to download your free Romance and Love cheat sheet, which includes romantic words, compliments, and pickup lines. Check out the description below and go to HungarianPod101.com now. See you next time!
Hi everyone! Do you know the 1,000 most useful phrases in Hungarian? In this lesson, you'll be able to know all of them, so sit back, relax, and have a cup of tea as you listen and learn.
Hol van a mosdó? Elnézést. Nagyszerű.
Szobát foglaltam önöknél. Ez mennyibe kerül?
Mi ez?
Köszönöm.
Tényleg?
Tudna valamennyi kedvezményt adni? Ingyenes a wifi?
Kérhetném a számlát? Mit ajánl? Felpróbálhatom?
You just learned the 1,000 most useful phrases in Hungarian. And if you're interested in learning more, try learning the core 2,000 word list. With this, you'll understand 95% of the language, and best of all, this is not a joke. Check out the description below and go to HungarianPod101.com now. See you next time.
Hi everyone, this is Top Words in Hungarian, and we are going to see and learn top 25 Hungarian phrases. Szia, hello. The first one is szia, which means hello. Szia. But if I say it to all of the viewers, then I would say sziasztok. And this is an informal way of greeting people, so please use it with someone who is the same age as you or younger than you. You can use it with people who are older than you or in more high position, just in case they allow you to use this informal way. They usually say that, yeah, you can greet me like this, or you can call me like that, and then it's a green light for saying szia. If you address more than one person, you should say sziasztok. So this is how you greet a group of people. Jó reggelt, good morning. Jó reggelt, good morning. This is what you say in the morning. It's usually used in Hungary from early morning until around 11 a.m. and it literally means good morning. Jó means good and reggel means morning. Jó napot, good afternoon. Jó napot, good afternoon. You use this after jó reggel, so from around 11 a.m. This also literally means good day, Jó means good and nap means day. Don't use it with kids because it would sound a little bit weird. But yeah, in general, you can use it with strangers. Just greet them, jó napot, good afternoon. And yeah, jó éjszakát, good night. Jó éjszakát, good night. This is what you say before going to sleep, or when you part with someone in the evening and you won't meet again until the next day. So jó means good and éjszaka means night. So jó éjszakát means good night. Mi a neved? What's your name? Mi a neved? What's your name? Mi a neved is an informal way to ask someone's name. If you would like to be more formal, please use mi a neve? Én vagyok. Én Léna vagyok. I'm Lena. This is how you introduce yourself. So you have to use én, which means I am, and then say your name, and then vagyok, which is to be in Hungarian. So én Léna vagyok. I'm Lena. You know, you can use it either in a formal or an informal situation. Örvendek. Nice to meet you. Örvendek. Nice to meet you. You use örvendek, nice to meet you, in a more formal situation. When you just greet friends or friends of your friends, you don't necessarily need to say this, otherwise you'll sound a little bit formal. But it's not totally wrong, it's just you wouldn't sound as friendly. Hogy vagy? How are you? Hogy vagy? How are you? This is an informal way to ask this question, and if you would like to be more formal, please use hogy van. So informal is hogy vagy, and then a more formal is hogy van. Köszönöm jól, és te? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Köszönöm jól, és te? I'm fine, thank you. And you? This is how you respond when someone asks you, how are you in Hungarian? Hogy vagy? So let's see a situation. Hogy vagy? Köszönöm jól, és te? Kérem, please. Kérem, please. This can be used either at the beginning of the sentence or what you want to say, or at the end. For example, kérem hozzon egy menüt. Please bring me a menu. Or you can use it as ne tegye oda a táskáját, kérem. Don't put your bag there, please. Köszönöm. Thank you. Köszönöm. Thank you. This is a very common way to say thank you. There are different levels to say thank you, so you can add an extra word in front or at the end, or both ways. So for instance, nagyon köszönöm means thank you very much. Szívesen, you're welcome. Szívesen, you're welcome. And you say this after you hear someone saying thank you to you and you were happy to help out or give them something, and then you just say szívesen. Igen, yes. Igen, yes. Szereted a macskákat? Do you like cats? Igen, yes. Nem, no. Nem, no. Szereted a pókokat? Do you like spiders? Nem, no. Okay, 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 okay. This word comes from English. Probably it's easier for Hungarian speakers to pronounce it that way, so we just say a sound A at the end, so it sounds okay instead of okay. Elnézést, excuse me. Elnézést, excuse me. You can say it in different situations. You can say it when you're at the restaurant and you would like to call the waiter, or you can say it in a store when you would like to catch the shop assistant attention, or you can even say it if you bump into someone accidentally and you want to say, excuse me. Yeah, it's pretty universal, so elnézést means excuse me. Bocsánat, I'm sorry. Bocsánat, I'm sorry. When you say bocsánat, it's more like you mean it more. So please use it when you're sorry for something that you've done, a mistake, or you hurt somebody. Or you can use it as well when you're walking down the street and you step on someone's feet, then you can say bocsánat as well. Mennyi az idő? What time is it? Mennyi az idő? What time is it? This is neither formal or informal, so you can ask it from anyone. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Just say mennyi az idő when you are asking for the time. Merre van a mosdó? Where is the restroom? Merre van a mosdó? Where is the restroom? This is a very, very useful phrase. So, merre van a mosdó? When you are looking for the restroom, obviously. So, yeah, if you're in a situation that you need to go, just pop this question out and you will know. Várj egy pillanatot. Wait a moment. Várj egy pillanatot. Wait a moment. Yeah, if you want to shorten it up, then you can just say várj, or in a formal way, várjon. So even though this phrase, wait a moment, sounds a bit formal in English, actually, várj egy pillanatot is an informal way to say it in Hungarian because of the verb in it, to wait, várj. It's an informal way to ask somebody to wait. If you would like to say it in a more formal way, or when you are at the store, you have to use, or you will most likely to hear, várjon egy pillanatot. Ez mennyibe kerül? How much is this? Ez mennyibe kerül? How much is this? You can use this question at the store when you are not sure about the price and there is no price tag. Just ask the shop assistant. Ez mennyibe kerül? Segítség! Help! Segítség! Help! When someone attacks you, or you're in a situation that you need help, that you're about to faint away or something, just scream segítség, and then someone will notice it and they will help you. Segítség! Nem tudom. I don't know. Nem tudom. I don't know.
If you really
I don't know. I don't know what to say. Nem tudom, mit mondjak. Később találkozunk. See you later. Később találkozunk. See you later. This is what I'm going to say at the end. Viszontlátásra. Goodbye. Viszontlátásra. Goodbye. If you want to be less formal, you can say viszlát, but it's still in the formal group. If you want to say bye to your friends, just say hello or szia. It works both ways, so it's pretty convenient. That's how you say bye to your friends, or you say viszontlátásra or viszlát to someone that you don't know. And that's the end. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out our website hungarianpod101.com for more awesome content in Hungarian. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like if you like the video. And tell us in the comment section which was your favorite phrase. Később találkozunk. Viszontlátásra! Welcome to Hungarian Top Words. This is your host Lena, and today we are going to learn top 25 verbs. Let's go! 1. To be. Our first word is van. To be. Egy macska van a kertben. There's a cat in the garden. Kedvel. To like. Kedvel. To like. Nagyon kedvelem a szomszédaim. I really like my neighbors. Or I don't know my neighbors. Yeah, that's the truth. Csinál. To do. Csinál. To do. Csinálok pár felülést. I do a few sit-ups. Mond. To say. Mond. To say. Mit mondtál? Hánykor kezdődik? What did you say? What time does it start? Magyaráz. To explain. Magyaráz. To explain. A tanár elmagyarázza a feladatot. The teacher explains the task. Hall. To hear. Hall. To hear. Hallod, milyen hangos a zene? Can you hear how loud the music is? Megy. To go. Megy. To go. Holnap megyek kocogni. Ma nincs időm rá. I go jogging tomorrow. I don't have time for it today. Tud. To know. Tud. To know. Ki tudja még rajtad kívül? Who knows it besides you? Vesz. To take. Vesz. To take. Te vetted el a könyvet innen? Did you take the book from here? Lát. To see. Lát. To see. Nem látom rendesen, hogy mi van odaírva. I can't see well what's written there. Jön. To come. Jön. To come. Péter nem jön ma moziba velünk. Peter won't come to the cinema with us today. Gondol. To think. Gondol. To think. Csak a hétvégére tudok gondolni. I can only think of the weekend. Néz. To look. Néz. To look. Anna a kirakatban levő ruhákat nézi. Anna is looking at the clothes in the shop window. Akar. To want. Akar. To want. Nem akarok fogorvoshoz menni. I don't want to go to the dentist. Yeah, it's a common issue. Ad. To give. Ad. To give. Adni mindig jó. Giving is always good. Használ. To use. Használ. To use. Milyen okostelefont használsz? What kind of smartphone do you use? Talál. To find. Talál. To find. Nem találom a szemüvegem. I can't find my glasses. Kimegy. To go out. Kimegy. To go out. Kimegyek a parkba sétálni. I go out to the park for a walk. Do you like walking? Kérdez. To ask. Kérdez. To ask. Ha nem tudod a választ, kérdezd meg. If you don't know the answer, ask. Dolgozik. To work. Dolgozik. To work. A szobatársam kórházban dolgozik. My roommate works at the hospital. Belép. To enter. Belép. To enter. Egy férfi belépett a szobába. A man entered the room. Érez. To feel. Érez. To feel. Remekül érzem magam. I feel great. Megpróbál. To try. Megpróbál. To try. Megpróbáltam tortát sütni, de nem sikerült. I tried to bake a cake, but I failed. Hagy. To leave. Hagy. To leave. A rendőrök elhagyták a helyszínt. Policeman left the scene. Heave. To call. Heave. To call. Hány órakor hívtál? What time did you call me? And that's the end! Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Please check out HungarianPod101.com for more Hungarian content. And you can see awesome videos, listening to great audio lessons, and don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments which verb was your favorite one. See you next time!
Want to speak real Hungarian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at HungarianPod101.com.
Hi everyone, this is Lena, and today we are going to learn 10 questions you should know. Let's go. Mi a neved? What's your name? Mi a neved? What's your name? My name is Lena. A nevem Lena. Hogy vagy? How are you? Hogy vagy? How are you? Köszönöm jól. Fine, thank you. Honnan jöttél? Where are you from? Honnan jöttél? Where are you from? Franciaországból jöttem. I came from France. Magyarországról jöttem. I came from Hungary. Mikor van a születésnapod? When is your birthday? Mikor van a születésnapod? When is your birthday? Október 2-án. On the 2nd of October. Hol laksz? Where do you live? Hol laksz? Where do you live? A központhoz közel lakom. I live close to the center. Hol dolgozol? Where do you work? Hol dolgozol? Where do you work? Egy irodában dolgozom. I work in an office. Mi a telefonszámod? What's your phone number? Mi a telefonszámod? What's your phone number? A telefonszámom? My phone number is. So you just say a telefonszámom and then you say your number. Hol tanultál magyarul? Where did you learn Hungarian? Hol tanultál magyarul? Where did you learn Hungarian? Egy nyelviskolában. In a language school. Szereted a magyar ételeket? Do you like Hungarian food? Szereted a magyar ételeket? Do you like Hungarian food? Igen, nagyon szeretem. Yes, I like it very much. Voltál Magyarországon? Have you been to Hungary? Voltál Magyarországon? Have you been to Hungary? Még nem, de nagyon szeretnék. Not yet, but I would really like to. And that's the end. Thank you very much for joining me this time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you did, and leave a comment in the comment section which was your favorite one, and don't forget to visit our site hungarianpod101.com. See you in the next video. Bye!
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Hungarian ebook before it's gone.